there. Welcome to the Fundamentals of Math Learning Guide. And I hope you've come to learn a little bit more about order of operations. So, if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name's Dr. Marissa May. I'm on a mission to help students feel confident in their math classroom. And this learning guide and this video are just one of the resources that I do provide. So, if you ever need other resources, feel free to reach out to me here on my socials. They're also in the description so you can just click on them. Well, let's jump in. We're all about order of operations in this video, and I've left the acronym PEMDAS for you to help you remember that we do parentheses first, then exponents, then we multiply or divide in order from left to right, then we add or subtract again in order from left to right. So let's take a look here at problem number 1. I like to use the PEMDAS as a little bit of a checklist for myself. So I work my way down by doing the parentheses first. So I'm going to do the operation that's inside of that parentheses. In this case, that's the 5 minus 2, which gives me 3. Then we're going to do the exponents. Now remember, 3 to the second doesn't mean 3 times 2. It means for us to write the 3 2 times and multiply. So 3 times 3 would be 9. And so now I have finished the exponent step. And now I'm multiplying 4 times 9 to give me 36 for my answer. Follow the order of operations. Again, use it like a checklist to help you as you're working through problems. Let's look at problem number 2 then. In this problem, we don't have parentheses, so we actually get to skip that step, and we don't have exponents. So we get to skip that step. My next step then is to multiply or divide, and I see that multiplication in the middle of the problem there. So I'm going to multiply that. 3 times 7, I know, is 21. Notice that I wrote the 6 and the minus 4 at the back because those didn't change. I was only doing the multiplication. Next, we add or subtract in order from left to right. That means we start over here on the left, and the first add or subtract we come to, that's what we do. So 6 plus 21 would give me 27. And then 27 minus 4 would give me 23 here as my answer. All right, one more example just to make sure we're clear. Again, I'm using my checklist. I'm going to do parentheses first. That means I'm calculating what's inside of the parentheses. That gives me, I'm going to just rewrite these other pieces. 5 plus 1 is 6. So I finished my parentheses step. I don't have an exponent step, so I skip that. And next, we're going to multiply or divide in order from left to right. Well, when I start on the left side of this problem and I come to the divide part first, that means I'm going to divide. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Don't miss that. I actually divided before I multiplied because it came first in order from left to right. Now I finish the step by multiplying 3 times 2, which is 6. And I get 6 minus 6, which is 0. So I hope that helps with the order of operations with PEMDAS. As always, if you have questions or comments or you want to see a video similar but a little different, let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.